Hi.
So Joan had a stem cell procedure in her knees about 3 weeks ago.
Yes.
Right? And what was your pain before you had the procedure?
My pain level was a 10, almost constant 10 in the left, and the right knee about a 7 to 10.
Okay. And then we did that 3 weeks ago. What kind of restrictions did you have physically before the procedure?
I could not climb stairs without being in pain. Walking long distance was near impossible. If I went to Walmart to go food shopping, I'd have to use the cart, the motorized scooter.
Okay. Taking care of the kids.
Yes.
That must
Taking care
be
of the
challenging.
kids. Everything was challenging.
Yeah. So we did the procedure 3 weeks ago. So tell me progression of what happened and when did you start noticing difference and how do you feel today?
The first day, probably about an hour, I felt some achiness. The third day, I noticed a big difference. I actually got up without even thinking, just got up and started walking around the house, and I could not believe that I wasn't walking side to side in achy pain. I was standing more erect, and my knees just felt stronger for some reason.
Fantastic.
And I didn't expect to feel that so fast.
Wow. And what's your pain today as far as your on average pain?
Today, it's been 3 weeks. My right knee has 0 pain. My left knee is about 4, and I haven't been a 4 in, I'd say, years.
Wow, fantastic. So only been 3 weeks. I think we still have a lot of progression to go still, and us to work on some rehab with you. Now we need to focus on the physical rehab part of it, which will keep hopefully you have better mechanics in your lower leg and your lower hip, and I think that will give you long-term success.
I'm sorry.
All right, yeah. Thank you, Joan.
You're welcome.